Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my May 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So please don't mind my voice. I came down with a cold a couple of days ago. It is giving me a nice croaky little voice here. My Phoebe voice, as I like to call it. And yeah, I filmed a couple of videos already today, and you're going to see them all. I'm going to have my wonderful Phoebe voice. So anyway, this is the Allure Beauty Box for May 2019. I have noticed that if you subscribe via Amazon, you're getting it like way at the beginning of the month, which is kind of disappointing to me. I would think that Allure would want to have all the subscriptions coming through their website, not through Amazon. So, I mean, I am getting this in the middle of the month versus people who are getting it in the beginning of the month because they're buying it on Amazon. So, I don't know. I think that's kind of stinky. Let me know what you guys think about that. Yeah, I just think it's kind of stinky. So, I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. And this is what it looks like inside. I like the bag this month. Kinda. I don't know. There is a card, and it has all of the items in it that is in the bag this month. And I'm going to go ahead. There's items in the bag, and then there's items outside of the bag. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go with this one first because this is one of the items outside of the bag. It's from Allure Cosmetics. And it is a lip gloss in the shade Vibe. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay. All right, so it is just a nude shade. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Like I said, it's a lip gloss. Ooh, it smells like vanilla cake. Okay. There it is right there. It's just a nude, you know, nothing too exciting about that. Although I don't mind it. So I don't mind having nothing but, you know, a normal shade. So normal. Some people might think purple is a normal shade for them. So anyway, this is the Allure Cosmetics lip gloss in Vibe. This pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe that one colleague compared to Laura Antipova in Dr. Zhivago. Only better. That's because it's sheer with warm tones for a more modern and more flattering take on that classic Sex Kitten lip color. It's super pretty with dark eye makeup or layered as a highlight over a deeper nude lip color. Just make sure your lips are smooth or apply it over a balm. It's less cute on chapped lips. Okay, and you can use code ALLURE20 at checkout to receive 20% off your entire order at Lurizzi.com from May 1st through August 31st. So, all right, not mad about that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull the bag out now. There is one other thing in here that I want to hold off on for just a minute. Okay, so this item I'm excited about. This is from Laneige. It's the Water Bank Moisture Cream. And I like that it is in a tube. That's pretty nice. So this is what it looks like. Okay. All right, so this is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. According to Zoolander philosophy, moisture being the essence of wetness and wetness being the essence of beauty, this little blue jar is brimming with beauty. Also according to my thirsty skin. This cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing. It doesn't feel heavy, but thoroughly plumps my skin with ceramides and sodium hyaluronate. Using it in the morning under sunscreen and makeup and at night before bed flooded my dehydrated skin, created a silky version of my face, smoothed out the little wrinkles under my eyes, and let me emote without pain in only a week. Plus, my makeup looked better and lasted longer layered on top of it. That's from Sable Young, Digital Makeup Editor. You can get this at us.laneige.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off Water Bank products. Offer good from May 5th through July 5th. So that's pretty cool. I like a lot of Laneige products, so that's cool. All right, into the bag again. We have these little things right here. Okay. I don't know. It looks like it says NS Anti-Frizz Sheets. That's exactly what it says. NS is for Nunzio Saviano Anti-Frizz Sheets. I don't think I've met anyone who has more flyaways than I do, but you'd never know it now that I use these small but mighty sheets soaked in coconut oil. With just a few swipes, they help smooth, condition, and tame my double processed hair. They're individually packaged, fit into my tiniest purse, are easy to stash at my desk, and don't take up room in my overstuffed gym bag. They're great after a workout. You can use them on just flyaways, but I like running one from my roots to my ends because these sheets also add shine without making roots oily. One is more than enough for my shoulder-length hair. That's from Kathleen Suko, beauty assistant. So you can get these on Amazon.com. Enter 20NS hair and then 4 exclamation points at checkout to receive 20% off your order of anti-frizz sheets from May 1st through June 15th. All right, back into the bag we go. I'm going to take this item next. So this is from Model Co. It's the Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow, and it looks like the shade is called St. Bart's. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that. I might put it on right now. Okay. It's like a whipped consistency, and it matches that lip gloss almost exactly. So, all right. So this is the Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's. This bronzy champagne cream shadow dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. Its doe foot applicator deposits the perfect amount of rich color across your lids for a cool metallic effect, but you can also blend the edges out into a glittering haze. I like pairing it with a thick line of black liquid eyeliner. The combo makes me feel very belle de jour. And every time I wear it, my lids look as fresh hours after applying as they did when I recapped the tube. That's from Cotton Cadena, Senior Beauty Features Editor. You can get it at modelco.com. Enter Allure19 at checkout to receive 30% off your order of any full-priced product. And then there's some exclusions, and it's good from May 1st through July 1st. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, back into the bag. I'm going to pull this out next. This is from Lou by Jean Seo. And I've gotten this before. So this is the Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. It's literally a powder, if you guys can see that. Okay. So I think it's Lue, actually, by Jean Seo Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. Combine this loose powder exfoliator made with milk powder and oats with water, apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Very soft. From Brennan Kilbane, Senior Writer. So you can buy this at evolue.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off a Lue by Jean Seo Skin Solution Set offer from May 1st through July 1st. And like I said, I've gotten this before and I never used it. So I might actually go ahead and put this in my giveaway drawer. It's not sealed in any way, but we'll see. Maybe I'll put that in the giveaway drawer. All right, and then the last two items actually kind of go together. I kind of showed you the first one because it's out of the package or out of the bag. And then I have this right here. They're from Saint Tropez. This is the Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Natural looking glow in 3 hours. And then it came with a mitt as well, which is kind of nice. So, all right. They are written up separately, so I will read both of them to you. The first one is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Oh, I'm sorry. You could have gotten 2 items. This is counted as one. The other one is the Water Face Mist. I got this one. So this is the gel and the mitt. And of all the self-tanning formulas I've tested, foams, lotions, and sprays, this liquidy gel is a clear winner. It's easy to spread a thin coat over dry skin, so I didn't get any streaks or splotches. There's no guide color, so it doesn't stain clothes, but its glistening wet texture lets you see and feel where you've applied it. It sinks in quickly, and the scent is a mix of fresh and tropical. Truly, it left zero stink behind. I used it in the morning and ran around all day. One application is great for a subtle glow, but I use it a few days in a row for golden color. From Taylor Shea, Assistant Business Manager, and you can buy it at Ulta.com. There's no discount code for this one. Okay, well, I can't open it. I was going to try to open it to... Oh, wait, yes, you can. That's an interesting smell. I don't know how to describe it. But anyway, I am going to have to give a self tanning a try at some point. I'm just scared. I'm going to be either orange or very streaky. So anyway, I got the self tanner, the exfoliator from Allure, the anti-frizz sheets, the cream eyeshadow, the Laneige water bank, and the lip gloss. That's everything. This is a $15 per month box, and I really like Allure. I think it's a fantastic box. I think you get a lot of really great things in it, and I really like it. The theme for this month was smooth sailing. So that is everything that's in my Allure Beauty Box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. What are your thoughts on the products that I got in my Allure Beauty Box? I would love to hear what you think. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!